Here at Rothy's, we say we look good, feel good, and are good. Through lots of testing, we were able to create a stylish, washable, durable product. We have diverted over 100 million plastic water bottles from landfill, and we have repurposed over 275,000 pounds of marine plastic from oceans. As the market gets more crowded and more brands claim sustainability, it just makes us work a little harder. We have to clarify our message and really think about the things we uniquely can own and say. We really try to think full funnel about what we show and how we show it to the customer along their journey.
At Rothy's, our goal is to meet the customer where they are, and that means reaching them across a whole host of channels. As a brand that really relies on video and lifestyle imagery to showcase the quality and colorful nature of our products, Performance Max has allowed us to take a lot of our different creative assets and through automation show them to a variety of people at scale. And it allows us to reach more customers across many more Google channels like search, display, Gmail, YouTube in a way that we were never able to do before. Since using Performance Max, we've nearly doubled our impressions. They're up 89%. We grew conversions by 60%, and we grew revenue by 59%. Of course, at first we were hesitant using automation to make such important decisions, but the results spoke for themselves. Automation stays on top of customer trend and behavior faster than we can.
What's at the heart of Rothy's is the people. It's the customers. We have over 2 million strong, and that community makes an impact. With Google, we can expand our reach and continue to grow this community of brand advocates who not only love our stylish, comfortable shoes, but can feel good about their purchase knowing that Rothy's is sustainable. We are excited about this next chapter to be walking alongside them.